hear that? That is the sounds of old Beijing. Hello everybody, my name is William and I am downtown in the city today in a place called Qingyuan, or Fresh Fish Mouth. As the name and these statues in front of me, you might guess that this was a place in old Beijing where people traded fish. Up ahead of me in the north is Forbidden City and the Tiananmen Square, and to my west is Qianmen Commercial Street, some of Beijing's well-known tourist sites. But today I don't want to take you to these. I would like to take you to somewhere a little bit different, somewhere I like to think of as a hidden gem in the city. So stay with me and I'll take you on a little tour. Follow me. Here we are in Qianmen Sanlihe, tucked away in the Hutong Alleyways of Old Beijing. The Sanlihe waterways around Qianmen were first constructed in the Ming Dynasty. This beautiful scenic spot we're at now is called Jungyeon Guanxi, which, as you can see, is quite beautiful. We have the water flowing under lovely, quaint little bridges, willow trees are blowing in the wind, and the surrounding historical courtyards, their blue and grey tiles, today glistening in the sun. So a little bit about the history here. These waterways were actually built in fears that excessive rain may cause flooding to this area around the Sanlihe River. It really is a very peaceful place, and you can see people enjoying the life and coming here to get a taste of old Beijing. And of course, if you've had a strong, long day walking, you can stop off and have a coffee and watch the world go by. Compared to other green spaces and parks in the city, Sanlihe has relatively few tourists. The reeds on the banks of the side of the river offer some privacy as you stroll down this 600-metre long waterway. Now we've come on to Qingyuan Hutong, and on my left here is the former residence of famed Peking opera star Mei Lanfang. And it was in this residence that Mei Lanfang really honed his craft and became the Peking opera star that the world knows today. Walking around Sanlihe area, you can not only see natural beautiful scenery, but you can also walk into the alleyway hutongs to see a little bit about local life. And it's within these hutongs that we also find some meeting halls. And these meeting halls were places for literati and businessmen of different industries to gather together and congregate. This is the paint assembly hall. So we're going to take a look inside and see what's in store. The paint assembly hall was built in the Ming Dynasty, and it was originally used as a place for sacrificial offerings to the gods and the ancestors, as well as a performance venue. Compared to some of the halls in the area, the paint assembly hall has been kept relatively well intact. So it's in this beautiful venue that we end our tour today, as we sit back, relax, and watch a beautiful performance of Mei Lanfang's classic opera, The Drunken Concubine.